Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your email on Facebook. So let's get started right away. So I already have my Facebook app open over here. And now you'll want to go to the upper right hand corner and press these three lines. After you've done that, you'll be taken to this menu page, where you should select your profile photo. That will bring you to your profile page. When you're on your Facebook profile, press the Edit Profile button at the top of the screen. And then you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Then you'll want to hit Edit Your About Info, and then down here in the Contact Information section, it will show your current email address associated with your account, so go ahead and select Edit. You'll now want to press where it says Manage Contact Info, and then select where it says Add Email Address. Now you'll need to enter the new email address you'd like to use as your Facebook login email address. After you've put in that email address, you also have to type in your current Facebook password and, after that, press Add Email Address. And then you need to re-enter your password. It will now say that your new email address is pending and ask if you want to confirm it. Well, you'll need to confirm this email address. If you click that button, Facebook will send a confirmation code to your new email address. All you have to do now is type that code into this box over here. Then when you've entered the code, hit confirm. You now have a new email address that you could use as your Facebook login email, but you also need to remove the old email address. To do just that, select your new email address and set it as your primary email address. After that, we're going to exit this page. And then you'll just want to press on your old email address. And it'll give you the choice to permanently remove this email address from your Facebook account. And then you're going to select a remove, and it'll ask if you're sure you want to remove it. You definitely want to do that. And boom, you now have a new email connected to your Facebook account that can be used to log into your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.